Gap City Squad here. Today we are going to be working on a member of the group's car. This is going to be Junior's Mark 4 Jetta. Going to be doing the coilovers. He's switching from bags to coilovers because coilovers. So be sure to freaking hit that like button. So right now we're just driving to Jalopy, which is our local junkyard. We're gonna be looking for some washers and rubber bushings that go on the stock struts, because the coilovers that came with the car when he bought it were missing a lot of parts. So let's go to Jalopy. Oh my god, it's a Nismo. Oh my god. Oh my god. So last week we did one half of the coilovers, but we couldn't do the other side because the coilovers that he got with the car are missing parts. Paradise. I think that's him over there. That's what we came for. And my bumper's still there. That's nice. So this side we got the coilovers on. But the CV axle's broken, so we gotta do the CV axle on this side. And you can see that the bags just deflate, and it takes forever to fill them up. Something.
She hasn't been starting in a while.
Familiar with bags, can you guys tell us why these airbags and shit are so shitty in the comments below? This is how it fills up with air.
It's pretty high up.
Yeah.
I think this is an AutoZone one too.
Yeah, it is.
That one too.
Shake it again. Show us what it's like.
It's not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be like this. 60 years old, 20 years old.
Yeah. That thing's older than the car.
Yep.
We already went through this in my last video, but link in the description below. How to put in a CV axle on your Volkswagen.
This is why you don't put bags in a car that it doesn't fit in.
Taking out the lower control arm bolt. Hey, what you doing there, bud?
Fucking working.
So, he got the front one. Now we just got the back one, the easiest part. Should take like 20 minutes, if that. Look at this mod. Nice.
If anybody wants a bag set up, we got one for sale.
He's talking to you guys on the YouTube channel. How much do you want?
I don't know. Make me an offer.
There you go. Make him an offer. Comment down below that you want it. Follow the fucking my Instagram right there. Message me on Instagram. We might ship them. Probably not, but
Maybe.
Because that's what I do for work, is I ship shit, so.
Ship to the right buyer.
Hell yeah. Boom, shakalaka.
Did Isaac ever tell you that he's fucking secretly gay? He said he was gonna come out to you, but
Yeah. Do anything for my boy Michael.
Oh god. For sale, guys.
Huh? Oh. I'm like,
Oh, and it has this too. Whatever that is, the motor.
Cool.
Coilovers for life. We got hose for your bags. So hit me up on Instagram. This is the end result. Fun fact, this is my old car. Put a picture right up there. Looks good. I bet it rides pretty good too. .500 horsepower.
oh my god! Wow!